AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge 150 psi 4 settings for car, truck, bicycle with backlit LCD and non-slip grip. Backlit LCD display and lighted nozzle for visibility in dimly light areas. Designed to maintain correct tire pressure, reduce tire wear and extend tire life, digital display reading instantly and clearly being shown, no longer do the guesswork of analog gauges. Nozzle easily forms a seal with the valve stem on schrader valves, giving quick and accurate readings in 0.1 increments, 4 settings with range, 4-150 psi/0-10 bar/0-10 kgf/cm superscript 2 or 0-1000 kPa. Simply press on /unit/off button to turn on the tool, select the range, and automatically shut off in 30 to 40 seconds to save the power. Non-slip texture makes it easy to hold onto, and the ergonomic design is both suitable for men and women's hands. 1-year warranty and battery included, perfect car accessories gifts for men, versatile use for cars, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles etc. but not compatible with Presta stems.